Hi everybody, welcome back to part 3 of biological psychology, where today we will be studying and revising the structure of the brain. This is a part of the Edexcel IAL syllabus, but this is also suitable for other exam boards and for first time learning. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also I'd recommend using headphones for better sound quality. So let's get started. Okay, the brain is made up of two similar looking halves called the hemispheres. The hemispheres are linked by a bridge of nerve fibers called the corpus callosum. Okay, so here's the structure of the brain. This is the left hemisphere, L, R, and the left hemisphere controls the right side of your body, and the right hemisphere controls the left side of your body. So it's like this. Okay. Okay, then the left hemisphere is the language center, reasoning, and numbers. Right hemisphere is for abstract thoughts, spatial awareness, musical ability, and artistic creativity. Here is the cerebral cortex. This is a must. This you have to learn this. And here is the how to remember this. Okay, so this is something I do. It starts with F. So let's say 1F, then there it goes 2P, then there it goes 3O, that's a 30, and here's temporal lobe, so let's say 40. Okay, so you can remember it like this: 1P, 2P, 30, 40. Okay. Humans have a complex layer called the cortex, which handles a lot of higher brain functions. The frontal lobe, you can take screenshots of these. The frontal lobe handles our conscious planning. An essential part of it is called the prefrontal cortex. Also, you need to learn these as well, about brain itself. Temporal lobe handles most of our memory functions studied by Smoke et al. Henry Molaison. Occipital lobe, the back of the brain, controls language. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you memorize the studies, and we will be doing a part 4 of this series, so I'll be back with another video.